Starting again, driving lesson 04/11/2022. We are in front of this very special building. Famous IOJIK is already a successful driver. Now, people, we have been here through this very heavy traffic. Very heavy traffic today. IOJIK is driving on a highway condition. She is advancing super fast. Yesterday was like through towns and through roads, through country roads. There was also some singing lessons, you know, like all of a sudden like enlightenment hit me in the head and I became a country singer. So I was singing country song. Now if you are interested in my country song singing, go back to the previous video, which is called driving lesson 04/10/2022, and you can hear the famous Ivan.
Do I do a wide left turn after that bus?
Now let's focus on this.
I'm gonna follow the bus, right?
No, the bus will make like a super. The bus will make a super left turn. He will go in the first street, but we are going straight over there where all this. You see that gentleman over there walking? Oh my God, he has a suit. Wow! And we're gonna go through that building. Now, people, if you have some money. If you have some money, you can become investor in our new property. You see that white building? It's to buy, okay? If you're a Grant Cardone-like person, you can come and invest. I think Uncle G may soon invest in our area because it's, you know, he's getting richer and richer, and maybe he can purchase some of these things, and soon we can see. He does not like to purchase in New Jersey and New York because he said that's like for suckers or for old money. Okay, we go straight. Now, people, we want to show you here the significance of our neighborhood. Yamadu neighborhood, driving my car. And that's actually not my car, first of all, and that's actually, I'm not driving it. And that is famous IOJIK here. You see, people, now we're gonna contrast the beauty of famous IOJIK with the beauty of Manhattan skyline.
Stop here for a second. I want to check something.
Why? What's up?
I want to check something.
Oh yeah. You want to check the time? Is right. It's 8:30. You still have 26 minutes of driving time. People, I will show you. By the time famous IOJIK is...
Чакам те в Нью-Джерси, в кафенето. Какво става? Защо си ме блокирал?
Who is that?
Boris.
Oh.
Boris is waiting for you.
Oh, right.
Чакам те в Нью-Джерси. He just texted в кафенето. Какво става?
Oh, yeah. We go to the cafeneto.
We go back to Starbucks?
Yeah, we go to Starbucks.
Okay, let's just...
How I'm blocking him? I don't understand. I did not block him.
Maybe you just didn't hear.
This is my boss, people. I can tell you that I have a couple of bosses. This is one of them. Mr. Boris. So now we go back to the house with famous IOJIK driving in Manhattan skyline.
Just guide me because I don't really...
I guide you, all right. Okay, there's a Hummer car for IOJIK. We're gonna buy IOJIK a Hummer. Actually, we do have a friend of mine who has the Hummer already. He is very hesitant to sell it. But I know how to deal with people. I'm gonna convince him to give it to me for free. All right, it's gonna be for free.
I need to practice parallel parking.
Parallel parking, yes.
Otherwise I'll forget.
Let me call my boss, Boris.
Okay, call you boss. And I see the spot right behind this red car. Oh, awesome.
Oh, awesome. Okay, famous IOJIK. Now we'll do parallel parking. Meanwhile, I'm gonna call famous Boris.
I need to practice with
yeah. Wow, you did so close. That's fantastic.
That?
No, it's exactly how you should be doing it. Okay, wow, what a red car. Nice. This is a very good way, people, to... IOJIK, I think you have to go a little bit more forward because this is a shortcut. Oops, and somebody took your spot. Okay, now let's see what he will do, okay? No, yeah, there's only one spot here.
Okay, it's fine. We don't really need the spot. I just wanted to practice. There's another white car in front of us. I'll do it there.
Wait a second. I want to see why is this guy here. Okay, anyway.
It's fine.
Anyway, famous IOJIK, we go. Let me call.
Okay, yeah, do that?
Yeah. Go.
Я не задену эту машину?
Go, 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 go. No? Yeah, yeah. All right. Oh, you know what happened? I don't have a phone service because I didn't pay my phone.
To post. To make a payment, please visit your nearest.
That's right. I have to pay my phone and I didn't pay my phone and now...
I'm gonna park next to this white car.
All right, park.
It's good that I'm checking my messages and that we have a group chat.
That I made the group chat.
You can text him from my phone.
Yeah. Die. All right. Awesome.
Okay, I'm gonna do parking. Что машина за мной едет, блин, долбанутая.
Up, you get.
I shouldn't. I was following the instructions. Why did I hit the curb? I don't know.
Yeah.
I was following the instructions.
Yeah, I think you did something with the. All right. Okay, now. Did you hit the curb? Yeah. Okay, now you are good.
What do you mean?
Okay, go. Now you have to. You're gonna. Yeah. Well, because you don't.
No, I was exactly following the instructions.
No.
I was.
Famous IOJIK, stop here. Okay, now let's go a little bit. Okay. Okay, now you have to go this way. Okay, and there you have it. Okay, you have to straighten it up a little bit. Yeah. Go. Now you are good. Now from here, stop. Okay, so now again, just go. All right, so now you can squeeze in already, you see? That's right, so now you're not gonna hit the curb. Now you're having, like you are turning like this already, you see? Okay, and now you're, yeah, sometimes you lose the skill, that is true. I lost the skill myself for so many times, you know? You have to practice the skill all the time.
Okay, then I go and I park next to the next car and we go to Boris, okay?
That is correct, yeah. I also lose the skill like this, you know, so when I lose the skill, what I do what you exactly you did. I just adjust it and that's it. But it's good to have the skill all the time to work it.
Yeah, right. And I
Okay,
need
there's
it for
another
exam.
one. Yeah, there's another one car. Let's park after this one here.
The black?
The
I
black,
think
yeah.
it's leaving.
No, it's not leaving.
А
Just
что
go.
морда торчит?
Okay,
Я тебе
неважно.
говорю.
Okay, yeah. They are leaving. Okay. She will leave the car, all right? So now let's go and try to implement the skill again. Yeah, sometimes you lose your skills. Now you're way far away from the car.
I know, but I will adjust.
All right. Now let's see. Okay. Okay, yes, you got the right angle. Yes. Go. Yes. Go.
Husband,
Okay, now let's see.
give me any.
Okay. You got it now. Okay. Yeah. All right. You know,
Hit the curb again.
yeah,
It's not
because
long.
you did it a little late. That's why you did the adjustment a little late, and I was about to tell you that, but
No,
it's
I
okay.
asked you not to.
Yeah. Go. Okay, fantastic. Yes. And now, no. Stop. Ah, that's right. No, the other way. You can't go like this. You have to turn. So now, all right. Now you see. Okay. That's how you have to do it. Go a little bit more back. Back, 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 back. Back, 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 back. Then stop, 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 stop. And now you have to straighten the wheel, all right? And now you're gonna go a little bit front. All right, all right. Now it's perfect parking, okay? Fantastic.
Because I'm learning one skill and I'm forgetting another skill.
Well, you cannot, you know, sometimes it's like this, you know, sometimes like that. But you will continue to practice all the skills regularly to...
And I need the cone.
To habituate. Yeah, we're gonna go to the cones, okay? We're gonna find some cones on the street, we're gonna steal them.
I can buy them and then we can just donate this cone.
No, we better to steal them than to buy them.
Okay.
All right. So we're gonna get some cones.
Where do I go
And you're gonna
straight?
practice, yeah. Now what we're gonna do, we're gonna go all the way to the ferry, front to the ferry. We're gonna make some U-turn or some kind of
Ferry
turn.
is behind us.
Yeah, okay, so we're gonna go over there and we're gonna go back to the main road and we'll go to the coffee shop where our boss is waiting. We're gonna make right here, all right? Let's make right and then we go to the main street. Okay, and let me put my seat belt because it is cold, yeah, it is very cold. It is April 11th, people, Monday.
There's no traffic light. How I'm gonna...
Now, this is a very interesting situation, right? There is a very high speed highway here that people are driving with 50, 60, some with 110 miles per hour. And now we have to go. Now, let's go advance. The key here is to advance so you can have visibility, very good visibility. Advance a little bit more.
Okay, I think it's safe
Okay,
to go.
and when there's no cars, then you very quickly, go. That's right, we want to even hear the engine. So now, that's how you're doing it. Fantastic, you did it very well. But you're driving too fast here for the moment.
then
No,
I don't know.
30 miles. Okay, now we're gonna continue in our lane, but we're gonna go left. You know, our
Should I
lane.
signal?
No, you don't have to signal because we are actually on the main road.
Right.
You see that over there is not the main road. This is the main road. And we're gonna stop now. Stop. Stop because it's a red light. You see, we came a little bit too late.
And then I follow this пунктирная линия.
That is correct. You follow the dotted line, whatever it is. The sign up on the dotted line. Buy this car, buy this apartment, you know. The famous IOJIK driving with the new driving skills. She's a very good driver. Driving. The famous IOJIK. She's driving through the universe. Oh, famous IOJIK. How can you drive so eloquently? The way you're just surprised. And the famous IOJIK drive. And it's like in the oh, famous IOJIK. How can you drive? And driving so well. Alright. So now we go straight and then we're gonna make right to our, to our Acme store. You will be experiencing. Not Starbucks. We're gonna go in the first thing that we usually go to enter the building, okay? Or we can go Starbucks. Now you have two choices. One of the choices to go to the garage and to go around the building, and the other one to go straight to Starbucks and make a right.
John Ford Watersports here to let you know that just because ACK has shuttered its doors does not mean that you have to settle for house brands. We still have all of the premium brands that you've come to know and love, and we are here to take care of you. Please visit us at fws.fish. We'll take
Okay.
care of you.
Do you understand, people? If you say the... Okay. I mean, this is part of
Do
the...
you need to keep records of a condominium
or a cooperative? Well, then don't worry. If you took QuickBooks for Landlords, you would see that you already know how to
Yeah,
keep
start
records
giving the
of
lights,
these
man.
organizations, because all the bookkeeping
Then I
is
have
the
to
same.
go down next to the.
All right, people, if you're buying apartment buildings, which I'm doing right now, I'm
Sure,
buying.
I don't know what to
Right,
do.
right. We're gonna make right. We're gonna turn right here. Turn right here. Okay. Slow down, and you turn right. Slow down and you turn right. Fantastic, famous IOJIK. Very well done. Very well done. Excellent driving skills. Now we're gonna go straight. I have to dig in the garbage, people. You see, that's my favorite show about I'm digging in the garbage. I love to find some stuff. They so valuable stuff I find in the garbage of my house. You know, I can tell you, people, when you live in a fancy building, even the garbage looks fancier. All right. And it's true. Sometimes people live like $5,000 plasma screens. They live $10,000 computer. Sometimes, you know, like 3 weeks ago, I found the golden ring with the 4 diamonds. I took the golden ring and I thought it's a bullshit, but then I went to the Diamond District in Manhattan, 47th Street. Guess what? I sold the ring for $57,000. I found it in the garbage. I found it in the garbage in my building, you know. And people who throw this diamond ring, they probably thought that it's a fake, you know.
No, she just was fed up with her husband.
Oh, yeah, I know. That's usually the reason. The husband didn't do his job, you know, and she was bitching. She found the lover, and the lover, this sucker, to seduce her, gave her this ring. And then after a few days, she got back with her husband, and everything was well. So the diamond ring was obsolete now. So she threw it in the garbage. Guess who found it? Me. That's what I do all the time. I find stuff in the garbage.
Тут останавливаемся и
Famous
Борис
IOJIK.
подождет.
Everything, guys, you see here, all these cables, everything from the garbage. This one I found 3 weeks ago. This cost $16, but I found it for free in the garbage. Water I also from the garbage, because people in America, they don't drink the full content of the water. This is how they throw their water, like this. And I go in the garbage and I see, what a waste, you know, like, save the water, people, save the water. Pick it up from the garbage, do not waste it. People are so wasteful creatures. Wow, look at this car. Look at this. My boss came with this car, okay, people. He has a red Cadillac. No, I mean, like, my boss is a famous boss. All right, now we have to close this video. And that's it, people. Famous IOJIK, tell them what they should be doing.
You should be subscribing to this video right now.
All right, now subscribe, motherfucker. Oh, wait, I'm sorry. If you are a lady, I didn't mean to offend you. But please subscribe to this channel. And what is the notification?
Bell.
Oh, the bell. Okay, the bell.
Click the bell.
Click the bell and do what?
I don't know.
You don't know? Wow, you don't know.
No.
No, when you click the bell, you have to go to the upper thing that is called all.
Oh.
You just don't click the notification bell, you click all. That means that you know what does it means? It means that you are making the choices what to
Alright,
watch.
where is my wallet?
Not Google
Here.
is making the choices for you.
Okay, we said goodbye to our audience. We asked them to subscribe and you continue your conversation.
All right.